Yeah.
Ah. Now we are at the pool area, right? Is this a popular area at your villa?
Yes, this is the party area.
Really?
Yes. They have a lot of pool parties here. And of course, you know what that entails.
Yeah.
So it's always a fun thing for them when they come. The first place they would probably want to see is where the pool is. And next thing they want to know, do you have music around the pool? Yes, we do. We have Bluetooth speakers. So first thing after they all settled in, they ask, can we get the hot tub on?
Yes, that's the hot tub, right?
Yes. And it's a blast from there.
And then that view, because I saw a ship sailing by. Do ships regularly sail by?
A lot. And we try to get them at night. Because, you know, it lights up at night. So
Yes.
we try to always catch them when we know they're in Montego Bay and leaving Montego Bay. We always try to see if we could get shots of it.
Okay, then.
Yes.
All right. And this must be a little picture area for
Yes,
a lot
it
of...
is. Yes.
This is where they come and relax.
Yes. They also set up a lot of birthday settings here as well. And they do a lot of photos here as well.
All right. So we are just going to just go and just check out some of the rooms. How many people can be here, by the way?
Well, 12 comfortably.
Okay.
Sometimes we allow 14.
Okay.
It depends.